Hello everyone, today I'm going to make a quick video on how to multi-stream on OBS Studio in 2025. So this will be a quick guide on how you can stream on, for example, Twitch and YouTube at the same time using OBS Studio. So what you want to do is on your current OBS Studio app, you want to open a second OBS Studio. So that would allow you to have multiple OBS Studios open at the same time. That means that on one OBS Studio, you can go to start streaming in Twitch, for example. So if you want to go to the settings, you can then go to stream and you can have this service be set to Twitch. And that means that once you start streaming here, you'll be streaming on Twitch. And on your other OBS Studio, you can do the same thing. Go to your OBS Studio settings, and then you can go to stream and you can have YouTube set if you would like. That means you'll be able to stream to both YouTube and Twitch at the exact same time. You click start streaming here, and then you click start streaming there, and you'll be streaming on two different websites at the same time to multi-stream on OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.